Hello students, today we are going to continue our multiplication chapter's last exercise, that is exercise 5.5 word problems. As you have already done word problems in subtraction chapter also, in which you need to know what the question says. First, read the question very carefully. What is the question trying to say? What is the question trying to ask you? You need to find out first that, then only you will be able to solve the word problem. Students, in this exercise, we are going to do question number 3, which says, a boat can carry 48 people. How many people can 17 such boats carry? Here, they are telling a single boat. A boat means one boat. A boat can carry 48 people, which means in one boat 48 people can be seated. But if there are 17 such boats, how many people will be seated? They are asking here. Here we need to multiply 48 with 17. Students, whenever in the question one quantity is given and more than one quantity is being asked, you need to multiply both the numbers. Here also we have got quantity, I mean to say number of people a boat can carry. In one boat the number of people has been given. We need to find out how many people can be seated in 17 such boats. So, in this, we will be multiplying 48 with 17 along with the short statements. So, let's start the sum. A boat can carry 48 people. With the short statement, we are starting the sum. Number of people in a boat. This first line can be written in this way. Number of people in a boat. In one boat, we have got 48 people. So, we have written in the first statement that number of people in a boat will be 48. Second statement is number of people in 17 boats. If one boat can carry 48 people, 17 such boats, how many people will be carried? For this, we are going to multiply both the numbers, that is 48 and 17. For this, let's make, here I have drawn the blocks. First, I have written the places. And the next step is put the numbers in the blocks, each digit in each block. 48 multiplied with 17. Now, 17 has to be multiplied with 14. So, since 17 is a 2-digit number, we have to do the 2-digit multiplication. First, we will multiply 7 with both these digits, then 1 with both these digits. Then we will add up both the products and get the final product. Let's start the multiplication. 7 multiplied with the ones digit, 7 8s are 56. 6 here, 5 carried. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 5 is 33. 3 here, we don't have any digit to be multiplied, so we are writing the 3 again, which was to be carried over. We have straight away written the 3 here. Now, moving to the second digit, that is the tens digit. Before that, we'll put a cross here so that we don't get confused. 8 to be multiplied with 1. 1 8s are 8. 1 4s are 4. Now, both the digits have been multiplied with the upper number. Now, we are going to add up both the products. That is 6 added with nothing is 6. 3 added with 8 is 11. 1 carried to the next place. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. So, we have got the final product, that is 816, which means we can write the last statement. Hence, 116 people can be carried in 17 boats. This is the way, children, you are going to do your multiplication word problem. The next question of this exercise which we are going to do is question number 5. A certain mathematics book has 186 pages, which means in one book, that is mathematics book, we have got 186 pages. How many pages are there in all in 6 such books? This question is asking that if one book has 186 pages, then 6 such books, how many pages will be there in 6 such books total? Again, one quantity is given and 6 books number of pages they are asking. So we need to again multiply here. With this we are going to start the short statement. First statement is number of pages in a book. 186. Number of pages in 6 such books, which will be 186 multiplied with 6. So students, we are going to now draw the blocks. Now blocks have been drawn and I have put the numbers inside the blocks so that we can multiply it. Since there are 186 pages in one book, we are going to find out in 6 such books how many total pages will be there. Now this multiplier which has to be multiplied with 186 multiplicand is a single digit. So we are straight away going to get the product by multiplying 6 with all these digits up. 6 6 are 36. 6 here, 3 carried to the next place. 6 8s are 48 plus 3 the carried over is 51. 1 here and 5 again carried to the next place. 6 1s are 6 plus 5 will be 11. So since we don't have any digit here, if we write the carry also it will come down only. You can straight away write the carry here and complete the multiplication as 1116 pages will be there in 6 such books. So let's start. Write the last statement. Hence 1116 pages are there in 6 such books. So students, in these examples we get to know that when one thing's value has been given and more than one's value is being asked, then we need to multiply both the numbers. In the case of this mathematics book also, we need to find out the number of pages in 6 books from the number of pages in one book. By multiplying both the numbers, we get the answer. So with these examples, complete your rest of the exercise word problems. Thank you.